Dennis Esteban Dominguez Valdivia, born February 9, 1962, popularly known as Dennis Padilla, is a Filipino comedian, TV host, radio broadcaster, and actor. He is the son of the late Dencio Padilla and the father of actress Julia Barretto. He was elected councilor of Caloocan from 1998 to 2007. In the 2013 elections, he ran for board member in his home province, Laguna, but lost. His party mates in the 3rd District includes actress and incumbent board member Angelica Jones, former ABS-CBN journalist Sal Aragon's first-term congresswoman, and Ejercito, the incumbent governor of Laguna. In 2017, Padilla was appointed as one of the board members of the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board (MTRCB). Personal life: Padilla has 7 children. In 1990, Padilla separated from Monina Gaddis after having 2 children. Eldest, Luis Emmanuel Gaddis Valdivia finished political science and government at De La Salle University in 2013, earning Master of Business Administration Public Administration at UP Diliman in 2020. He works as Associate Project Officer at Development Academy of the Philippines. His eldest daughter is a trans woman, Diane Gaddis with Diane Valdivia, born on January 2, 1990, and legally married Katex Balmas in USA. With Padilla's mid-1990 relationship, he married Marjorie Barretto in 1995. Eldest Julia Barretto was born in 1997, while Claudia Isabel was born on July 26, 1999, who released her first single Stay in 2017, signing with Viva Artists Agency as a talent. She finished Bachelor of Arts Psychology at the Ateneo de Manila University in 2022. Leon Marcox was born on April 2, 2003, and is a Dean's Lister, studying marketing at University of Asia and the Pacific in 2023. Padilla and Marjorie Barretto separated in 2007, and their marriage was annulled in 2009. On August 1, 2014, Padilla, assisted by attorney Jose Virgilio J.V. Bautista, filed with RTC, Branch 126, Quezon City, a petition to annul a court decision which allowed Claudia Isabel to use Barretto instead of Valdivia as legal surname. In a 12 years romance from 2009, Padilla's journey with former 2022 Mrs. Universe Australia, Linda Marie Gorton, ended in July 2020. Their son Gavin Simeon was born on August 29, 2012, graduating kindergarten in 2017 at Castleville Academy in Project 7, Quezon City. Madeline, The second child was born on November 30th, 2016, in an April 12th, 2024 interview with Astor Moyo. Padilla claimed they're co-parenting with child support, which Linda Gorton denied. Padilla also has two stepdaughters, Donnie Barretto of Kier Legaspi and Rizzi Gorton, Linda's child with a previous romance. In 2019, Donnie Barretto weds Xavi Panlilio with child Millie, born in 2019. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.